Hey guys, we're back with this ESL Emulator programming with the Mercedes Benz. Today we have from Jake Tadlock is 2010 E350, and this one is w207. Send us his EIS and the key fob. As you can see, this emulator here is not programmed yet. We're gonna go ahead insert this one. It flashed one green. That's kind of just sign that these two are the right key for the EIS. However, it will not start the car. You know this is you will know if it's not the right key. This is a different key. It will not flash a green at all. See that? Nothing. It will turn it, but it will not start the car. All right, let's go ahead. Go to our programmer with the Autel. Let's go ahead program this ESL emulator so we can get this started and start the car. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start this one. Make sure everything's connected properly. We have a 12 volts here. You hear that beep? That means we are connected to our XP400 and our G-Box. Alright, let's go ahead and go to emo. Let's go ahead and accept this one. Go to Mercedes Benz. This one is from Jake Tadlock 2010 E350, and this is w207. Let me see. There you go, w207. All right, let's go to manual selection, and then let's go to E-Class right here, 2010. So we go here, 10 to 13. Press yes. This car has the two keys already. He just sent us one key, and the other one should start the car too. No problem. Let's go to control unit, and then first thing we're gonna go to EIS tools. All right. Or first, before that, let's go ahead and test this one. Let's go to key. Let's go to EIS tools, right? When you go to EIS tools, we're gonna go to we need to test this one. Go to test EIS status working key. So let's go to wiring diagram first, and let's go on bench G-Box, w207 right here. And let's go follow this diagram and get it connected. All right, so I got it connected. As you can see, we have a ground, top left, ground, second to the bottom, power, bottom right, green can low, and then on top of that it's a yellow can high. That's all we need for now. So let's go back. Let's keep going back, and then let's go test EIS status. Let's go on bench G-Box and make sure everything is connected properly. Press OK. Let's go test EIS status. I'm not sure if this can be tested. Let's go turn it on. It says turn on. It said this is w207, which is good. This is not supported, but let's go check the test working key. Okay, w207. Put the key into the IR keyhole. This key right here in the XP400 Pro. Press yes. And then let's just follow the directions. That's all we're gonna do. But now, we'll see what it says. Please insert the key into the EIS 3 times. So insert it here. 1, 2, 3. Then remove. Press yes. Okay. It says please insert the key into the IR keyhole on the programmer. So which is the XP400 Pro. Press yes. And now it's communicating. As you can see, that's blinking, or the top green is blinking. This key is a working key for this vehicle, so which is good. So we confirm that this key is for this EIS and it's for the car, so we're good to go. Press OK. So we're gonna go back. First thing we're gonna do is go to EIS tools again. And then we're gonna read the data, read the file, read EIS data. We gotta go OBD, on bench G-box, and this is W207. Wiring diagram should be the same. It's showing you the same thing again. Let me try to if we can focus it. So that's the ground, power, yellow and green. All right. Then press OK. It's reading the EIS right now. So this is the file. Just press OK. Do you want to save the current EIS data? Yes, we are going to save it. That's saved already. Press OK. The next thing we're gonna do is, before we write that to our ESL emulator, we're gonna go back and we're gonna go add a key. Because the reason we're doing add a key, because we need to get the password. We need the password so we can write the file to the ESL emulator. So let's go add a key, because we do have an original key. If not, we're gonna go all keys lost. But right now we're gonna add a key. Todd has a second key, so we're not really gonna add a key. We're just doing the process and then we're gonna cancel it. Go on bench G-box, it's W207. Should be the same with that wiring diagram. Press OK. And you're gonna need a unprogrammed key with these so you can connect with it. So let's go read EIS. Let's begin it. Let's go focus it. See if we can better action here. Okay, that one is success. Detecting frequency, put the ignition. The original key, just press anything in there close to your XP400 Pro, then please insert to the IR keyhole. Insert it here. Press OK. So right now it's communicating. Just be patient. You're gonna look out on this green light and that car green light on top. That's a sign that you're communicating properly. So is this ignition a smart key? No, it's not. Press no. And then you have 4 keys, it says. Press OK. So we have it here. Okay. Then now it's asking for the blank key. So press anything close to this. There you go. Please insert it. Remove the original key. Insert the blank key to the IR keyhole. Press OK. Make sure before you start that you have connected to your hotspot or your Wi-Fi, because that's what we're needing to calculate the password. I forgot to tell you guys that. So is there a key password? No, we don't have a key password. Press OK to enter password calculation. Press OK. So now we're entering the to calculate the password. There you go. And then I think we're done with these unprogrammed key. You can put it inside. Let's go begin with this one. After the key password is calculated, it may be required to insert it. Yes, just acknowledge that one. Insert the ignition key to the EIS and wait for 5 seconds. That one is asking for the original key. So this is the original key. Put it there. Press OK. All right, it's a 5-second countdown. There you go. It says pull the ignition key out, remove it, then press OK. And we're dealing with the original working key right now. We're done with the unprogrammed key. All right, it's communicating, so you can see that green light, car light, and this one is blinking. Not at the same time, but they alternate blinking. That means it's still communicating. See that? That's blinking. You'll be worried if none of them blink, or no blink at all, no light at all. But okay, insert the ignition key to the EIS, which is here, for 2 seconds. Press OK. And then it said just insert it. We're not turning it. Now it's asking to turn it. Please confirm whether the key can be turned in the on position. If not, please remove the key, but we can turn it, which is good. So just press OK. After pulling the key ignition out, insert it into the IR keyhole on the programmer. So pull it out and put it in the XP400 Pro. Now that's blinking right there. And that one too is blinking, so that's pretty good. Right now it says getting password is in progress. Please wait. The whole process takes about 10 to 30 minutes. It takes longer for some vehicle, so we're just gonna wait right now. Leave it alone the way it is. We'll come back. It should take, this one should take probably 5 to 10 minutes. I've seen it faster than that. But let's go cut this and then come back when we get the password. Alright guys, that's less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this one to get the password. Okay, so we have the password there. Let's go press OK. So this time we're gonna go ahead and cancel it out. We don't need any of these. It's telling you to insert the key to the EIS. We don't have to follow all these for the reason we don't need an extra key. Customer Todd has 2 keys already, and I would offer an extra key if they only have 1 key. And if you want that, I can provide that for you too for a great price, because we're already here. Like, we're in the process of doing that anyway. I give you a great price for adding another key. Just let me know. Just comment down below. Right now we're just trying to end this process here. We already get the password, so it said password calculation complete. Press OK, and it's gonna ask to put the unprogrammed key, but we're not gonna do it. So I'm gonna go cancel this out, and then let me cut it. Then we go back to the main menu. All right, so once we're back in this menu right here, we're gonna go to the ESL tools. Then from the ESL tools, we're gonna go to a w207, and then has the G-box been used? Yes. So from here we can go ahead write the ESL data, but before that you can go back to connect your, let's say, look at this wiring diagram here. Go w207. That is the connection for the emulator. You should be connected now, like what I am right now, facing here with the notch on top. 2 red one on top, you have a ground one on the bottom left, and the bottom right you get the alligator clamp that connected to the G-box K7. Okay, from here we go w207. Has the G-box has been used? Yes. Okay, and make sure you have a red light here, so that means you're connected. And then we're gonna go write ESL data. As you can see, it's blinking right now, but it's not writing it yet. Okay, say reading ESL data. So from here, you have to locate the one we just saved the file from the EIS. So we can write it down here. Before to write it down, the password need to be inserted. And this one you need a hotspot for this one too, I believe. And the power voltage should be above 13 volts. As right now, we have 15 volts. So here we go. Let's press OK. So we're gonna go to EIS EEPROM, EIS data, and today is April 14. That's what I'm going to look for. 414, yeah, that's the only one I have here. So press OK. That's the one we saved today. Okay. Then from here, I'm going to get ready my phone because I have my password screenshot on here. This programmer does not save the password automatically, so you still have to somehow write it down, or I just screenshot it. It was faster than to writing it down, because when you write it down sometimes you get mistaken writing a different character, and then now you gotta insert a different one. So this is the file. Press OK. password here, so we're gonna type it. Make sure you got all characters properly. So this one 968.3, and then combination of letters and numbers 6A 0 1. There you go. One more and last one. And that one, the SSID, you don't have to change that. Press enter, press OK, and watch carefully on this emulator. Turn green, blinking, and they'll turn red. There you go. And this one should be done. As you can see, succeeded in writing. All right, so from here, let's go ahead and test it. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect all this. Let's go ahead get a tester here. We'll see. I'm gonna connect this one. This is a quick way for me to test this. I'm gonna go ahead and insert my emulator. Insert here. All right, there you go. That's our emulator, ESL emulator. Let's go ahead and test it real quick. This is the key. Insert it. Green. Awesome. Turn it. Green. No problem. Look at that. Will start the car properly, and you're good to go. And you can tell this is the different key from different car. That will not start the car, and it's only for this car. This is for you, Jake Todlock, with the Mercedes Benz 2010 E350 w207. So we got this program. All right, guys, hope you like this video. If you let's go ahead check this one. I'm gonna try this one here. Another tester that I have. Put some power. Let's see. I've never tried this before with this one. This is the new one. This one goes here, I believe. Let's see if it's gonna. Nope, that's not it. I think this one goes here. Okay. Where's the other one? ELV. See, this is the ELV. It said it's the ELV. This is the ELV right here. All right, let's check this out. Turn this off. Okay, key inserted. There you go. Has been opened. See that? This has to be turned off because there's the ELV on and off. But we turn it off because we have the ELV here. See? Let's try it again. Insert. Key has been inserted. Let's see. Do it again. There you go. It's green. And then it said on has been opened. It's been turned on. It's too bright, you can't really see it. It does start the car. It also said it'll start the car. So this is good. And if you use a different key, it will not do it. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask me. I can help you with ESL Emulator. With your steering lock, I have plenty of video to guide you how to remove your steering lock, your ESL, for C-Class, E-Class, GLK. Just message me. I can help you guys, or follow me on Facebook with AutoPurlieu. You can go to my email, autopurlieu.com, or here YouTube, of course. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Till next time.